Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best double door mailbox is probably one of the most underappreciated home improvements you can make. It's a simple upgrade that can significantly enhance your curb appeal and provide a secure and convenient way to receive your mail. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of double door mailboxes, exploring their features, benefits, and what makes them a smart choice for any homeowner looking to upgrade their mailbox situation. Number 5. Simplay 3 Classic Black Mailbox Combo Kit. This classic mailbox combo kit features 2 heavy-duty magnetic access doors. It ensures secure front and rear mail retrieval. This design provides convenience and security for your mail. The kit includes mounting hardware, a post cover, and address numbers. It comes with everything you need for easy installation. This makes setting up the mailbox simple and straightforward. The mailbox is large enough to accommodate small boxes, newspapers, and magazines. It offers ample space for all your mail and packages. You won't have to worry about overflowing mail. It has a cherry red flag that swivels 90 degrees to indicate mail pickup. This feature allows you to easily see when you have mail. It adds a practical touch to the design. The mailbox is designed for quick and easy installation over a 4x4 wood post. It can be installed over new or existing posts. The wood post is not included. It's built with heavy-duty double-wall construction. This ensures the mailbox's durability and longevity. It is proudly made in the USA. What we like. This mailbox is built with heavy-duty double-wall construction, ensuring durability. It's also proudly made in the USA. If you have a need for a large-capacity mailbox that can handle small boxes and packages, this is a great choice. What people say. The mailbox is well built and sturdy. The rear access door is a great feature for retrieving mail. The design is sleek and modern. Number 4. Gibraltar OM160 BEC Outback Double Door Mailbox. This mailbox is built with galvanized steel, so it can withstand any weather. Rain, snow, or sun, it's designed to last. It offers plenty of room for all your mail and packages. It's large enough to be practical without being bulky. This mailbox is approved by the USPS. This ensures smooth and uninterrupted mail delivery. Assembly is quick and easy, just attach the knob. Remember that mounting hardware comes with compatible posts, not the mailbox itself. It's designed to mount easily on architectural mailboxes posts marked with a B. This makes installation straightforward. The back door allows you to retrieve your mail safely. It's ideal for homes on busy roads, keeping you out of traffic. The magnetic closure keeps the door tightly shut. This protects your mail from wind and rain. What we like. This mailbox features galvanized steel construction, making it weather-resistant. It's also USPS approved, ensuring reliable service. If you are looking for a mailbox that is easy to set up and can withstand various weather conditions, consider this one. What people say. A large capacity for larger packages, made of metal, that opens on both sides of the box, street side and sidewalk side. The magnet strength and functionality are perfect, easy to open, and it fastens snugly and tightly when closed. The materials and paint quality are good, it was easy to install, and it looks great. Great product and well made. They were bigger than expected, but worked perfectly on the new post with the right mounting hardware, purchased separately. They are a good heavyweight and opening on both ends was a bonus, so we don't have to go out on a busy road to get the mail. Number 3. Mailbox 7536 Street Safe Locking Mailbox, Black. This mailbox features front and rear locking access doors. It ensures the safe retrieval of mail and parcels, keeping them away from street traffic. This design prioritizes your security and convenience. The innovative baffle door is designed to accept mail bundles and small packages. This feature provides true security, effectively preventing mail phishing. It's a secure solution for all your deliveries. It has a patented anti-pry latch locking mechanism. This mechanism features a chromalloy tempered steel hook cam for enhanced security. This design makes it difficult for anyone to tamper with the contents. The secure access door is equipped with a commercial-grade, high-security 12-disc wafer lock. This deters drilling and picking, providing an extra layer of protection. This feature ensures your mail stays safe. This mailbox is approved by the USPS. It meets all the necessary standards for secure and reliable mail delivery. You can trust this product to protect your mail. What we like. This mailbox offers front and rear locking access doors for secure mail retrieval. It features an innovative baffle door and a patented anti-pry latch locking mechanism. If you are concerned about mail security and want to prevent phishing, then this is the perfect option. What people say. Favorite feature is the rear opening mail retrieval door, so no more turning your back to the street to grab mail. It holds a good volume as well, in case you aren't able to grab your mail daily. My mail carrier loves being able to slip small to medium-sized packages in it with the mail. My magazines and catalogs fit as well. Everything is secure and unable to be tampered with until I'm able to retrieve it. Number 2. Mail Package Drop, Aluminum, Black. This package drop is made of durable aluminum and finished in black. It's designed to keep your mail safe and secure, offering peace of mind for your deliveries. It includes a convenient outgoing mail tray, making it easy to send your letters and packages. This feature simplifies your mailing process, saving you time and effort. An adjustable red signal flag is included, allowing you to easily indicate outgoing mail. This feature provides a clear visual cue for your mail carrier. It features front and rear access locking doors, each with 2 keys. This ensures maximum security for your mail, protecting it from unauthorized access. Mail is deposited through a non-locking access panel on the front. This design provides easy access for your mail carrier while maintaining security. Please note that the pedestal is not included. You'll need to provide your own mounting solution for this secure and convenient mail package drop. What we like. This mailbox includes an outgoing mail tray and front and rear access locking doors. It provides convenience with key-to-like locks. If you like the convenience of an outgoing mail tray and need secure access from both sides, this is a great choice. What people say. It is lockable and can hold a large amount of letters paper material and a decent amount of box packages up to 4 inches thick. When I checked it today after some extensive rainstorm, the inside is still dry. It can hold about 8 units of 2 inches thick envelope packages for postmen to pick up. Number 1. Special Lite Classic Curbside Mailbox, SCC, 1008, TD MOC. Introducing the Special Lite Classic Mailbox. This curbside mailbox is constructed of rust-free aluminum with a premium powder-coated finish. It features a stainless steel spring hinge and a strong magnetic catch to keep the door secure. This standard-size mailbox is perfect for all your mail needs. It's spacious enough for letters, large envelopes, documents, and even small packages. It measures 20 inches long, 10 inches tall, and 8.75 inches wide. Make a great first impression with this beautifully designed mailbox. It's roomy and spacious, perfect for keeping your packages and letters dry and protected. It will add a touch of elegance to your home. This fully assembled mailbox is easy to install. It can be mounted on all Special Lite mailbox posts or almost any standard mailbox post. Please note that the mailbox post is sold separately. This USPS-approved mailbox combines classic style with durable function. It's made of premium quality, rust-free materials and comes in a variety of styles and colors. You can trust it to last. What we like. This mailbox is constructed of rust-free aluminum with a premium powder-coated finish. It has a classic design that enhances curb appeal. If you like a stylish and durable mailbox that is easy to install, this is a great choice. What people say. The mailbox is well built and sturdy. The rear access door is a great feature for retrieving mail. The design is sleek and modern. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.